Earn money by searching on YouTube. Most of us spend the majority of our time on the internet using social media every day. YouTube is so popular that users spend an average of 40 minutes per YouTube session. In line with this digital shift, the next thing you should learn is how to make money on YouTube. All you need is video editing software and a computer, and you can get started on YouTube. For example, on PewDiePie, Felix Arvid Ulf Kjellberg, a Swedish YouTuber, makes a whopping $102 million from his Let's Play videos and comedic formatted shows. Minting money on YouTube is no longer exclusive to a select few platinum musicians or huge influencers. There are plenty of opportunities for everyday people to make money from YouTube. While the possibility to make significant income from YouTube as a content creator is not easy either. Around 5 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute across the world. Numbers don't lie, therefore the competition is pretty intense, and making a lot of money online becomes more challenging. Here are some useful strategies you can employ to jumpstart your earning potential from YouTube. Below, I will suggest to you 8 ways how you can monetize your YouTube experience, so stay tuned. And like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Number 1. YouTube monetization. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a huge earning opportunity for channels that offer in-depth tutorials as well as insightful product reviews. For example, if you recommend a product and a viewer visits your link to buy, you'll start earning commissions. You can place these links in the initial lines of your description and speak about your link in your video content. Posting affiliate links on YouTube shares a similar resemblance to promoting affiliate links on your blog. Thus, you should pour affiliate links all over your YouTube content just for the monetary benefit. Don't forget that viewers will only follow these links when they believe you are a trusted and genuine source. To build trust with your audience and get more subscribers, help them solve genuine problems and provide tutorials. As a bonus, you can create videos that offer solutions you have previously accomplished yourself. There are plenty of affiliate programs for you to join. You can join many different programs in one place on a popular affiliate network like ShareSale or Awen. The best step to maximize revenue is to start a blog in unison with your YouTube channel and add affiliate links there too. That way, you're monetizing YouTube and also have a website on a platform that you own yourself. Number 2. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. For most YouTubers, ads are the most essential revenue stream. As a YouTube partner, you may make money in different ways. You can make money from ads before or in the middle of your videos, channel memberships, or Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner, as well as some prerequisites needed to start. Aside from adhering to YouTube's ad rules, you must accumulate a minimum of 4,000 video watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. There is no concrete timeline or format to get these foundational 4,000 hours. You can get 100 hours each on 40 videos or any combination to get your total to 4,000. With YouTube Premium removing ads for viewers for monthly fee, YouTube still helps support creators by paying based on the percentage of total watch time. However, it is not always possible to generate your revenue on YouTube from advertising alone. There are other avenues to explore by which you can consolidate your earning potential on YouTube. Number 3. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. If you've successfully been able to build a following of loyal fans, encouraging them to crowdfund your channel can help you fund your new videos and profit. A platform like Patreon introduces a more seamless and easy process of getting paid for your content. For as little as $1, your fans can make subscriptions to their favorite channels, even going home with some exclusive rewards from their favorite content creators. Profit and non-profit channels alike are leveraging this fan funding with their audience to keep their video operations running smoothly. As long as your content is interesting, entertaining, or providing value, you would be amazed at how your viewers open the floodgates of generosity and facilitate making money faster and easier. Number 4. Master your YouTube SEO. Even for video creators who have not built a significant following yet, you have to step up your game and maximize YouTube SEO this year. In order to do that, perform keyword research on search bars like you usually would. However, think a little differently based on what people are searching for on YouTube. And next, make sure you are using high-value keywords in your video title, description, and video tags. Once launched, you can check your YouTube traffic source YouTube search report to get detailed info and an idea of what people are searching for when they find your hosted videos. In general, Google provides video results for keywords on how-to, reviews, tutorials, and funny video terms. There are also 5 key YouTube SEO ranking factors to consider: number of comments, subscribes after watching a video, thumbs up or thumbs down ratio, video length, click-through rate on the YouTube search results. Number 5, make the most of your YouTube marketing funnel. Along with optimizing your YouTube channel for sale, YouTube is one way to spread your message, but you can make more money by using YouTube on unison with a blog. This way, you're collecting more email addresses and eventually selling products to your fan base. For example, if you are writing a blog post about an affiliate project you're recommending, repurpose that content and create a YouTube video embedded in the post. Then direct users from YouTube back to your blog and to the affiliate links to both earn commissions and build blog readers. Another great option is to connect your YouTube channel with an e-commerce platform like Shopify and sell merchandise. Here are some great YouTube merchandise stores to take inspiration from. Number 6, become an Amazon influencer. The Amazon Influencer Program is becoming more popular lately. The influencer program allows you to maximize your YouTube, social media in general, presence, and reach to make money via Amazon recommendations. After joining the program, you can review and recommend products and direct your viewers to the Amazon website in order to purchase via affiliate links. When your viewers click the affiliate links and make an Amazon purchase, you get your cut of the commissions, typically 8 to 10%. However, currently this program isn't open to everyone. Social media follower count and other metrics dictate approval odds. Number 7, explore extra gains from YouTube Red subscribers. YouTube Red allows users to pay $9.99 for ad-free YouTube viewing. Even without ads, content creators can still generate money and make 55% of revenue based on view time. There are still mixed opinions on whether YouTube Red increases or decreases the CPM rates. While using YouTube Red, your watch time matters, so check your YouTube analytics to view your statistics like watch time and video engagement. How to sell without annoying your audience. Most of the above strategies for monetizing involve promoting products or campaigns. Example given, fan funding a video series. But you should make sure your promotions don't sabotage the integrity of your content. Record a call to action in your videos. For example, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe. Add well-timed YouTube cards to your videos. Add links in your video descriptions. Promote your offer on other platforms. In the current world, social media marketing is experiencing a boom. Suddenly, because of the internet, everyone has the opportunity to create and monetize at the tip of their hands. The above content is to help you understand how you guys can make money online too. The above content is not necessarily the only option to make money. You can always find new ways to monetize and earn. All that's left is to get creative, to channel the entrepreneurial drive to explore ideas with how you choose to monetize your passion.